Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can recover deleted messages on Instagram. So to get started, open up your Instagram application and the user face will appear somewhat like this. Now go ahead and tap on that little profile icon which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now go ahead and tap on that menu bar which is appear on the top right corner. Now all you have to do is click on your activity. Now here if you scroll all the way down, you can see download your information option. Tap on it and again tap on download or transfer information. Now here you can choose your account and once it's done, tap on next. Now it will ask you how much information do you want. You can just select all available information or some of your information. We just want to recover our deleted message, so we'll just tap on some of your information and choose the file. So you can just select now download to device or transfer to Google Drive. You can select anyone. Now here you can see create files, tap on it. Now your information is being prepared for downloading, and once it's done you are good to go. Your Instagram deleted message will be recovered after the download process is over. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.